whisper of the wind, we hear a call, a plea from nature, echoing through it all. The earth, our home, cries out in pain as climate change ravages again and again.
A group of climate change organizations have
emissions of greenhouse gases.
Climate change is now happening.
Indonesia says it's
10 million tons of.
The Philippines tops a list of countries most susceptible to hazards prospect climate change.
Ito ang dahilan ng pagkakaroon ng mga bagyong gaya ng Super Typhoon Yolanda at Bagyong Umoy.
The forest fall, the wildlife flee, a tragedy unfolding for all to see. The ice caps melt, the oceans rise, a testament to our careless skies. For environmental health and climate change awareness is the legacy we leave for generations to come. Reduce, reuse, recycle, a mantra we must embrace to preserve the planet and keep it in grace. Education and awareness, the key to our faith to combat climate change and share our own. Together, we can make a difference, you and I, for the sake of our children and the world we hold dear. Let's rise above the noise and break the chain of despair to protect our environment and show we care. In the rhythm of life, let's find our beat, a melody of hope, a future so sweet. For the earth is our mother, and we are her children. Let's nurture her well and keep her safe and sound. So let's unite in this cause so grand to safeguard our planet and take a stand. But hope remains in the strength of our will to fight for the future, to heal and amend. Renewable energy, a beacon of light, a sustainable path to end the fight.
Filipinos will do everything that they can to preserve our ecology, to preserve our forest land, to preserve our biodiversity.